Okay, so now that we've discussed and reviewed what order of operations is, let's see it in action here. Our first example, we have 5 plus 8 times 2 plus 6. Now you want to be really careful here. A lot of people will see that 5 plus 8 kind of set aside because of the grouping symbol. I don't think to add 5 and 8, but you must remember that multiplication has to come before addition or subtraction. So we're going to take care of that multiplication. Before we can take care of that multiplication, we have to take care of the addition on the inside. So we do 2 plus 6 is 8. And now we can go ahead and do 8 times 8 to be 64. And we can finish the problem off by doing 5 plus 64 equals 69. Okay, let's consider this second example here. We have 6 plus, parentheses, 9 minus 5 plus 7 squared. Now, the 9 minus 5 is in grouping symbol, so we need to take care of that. But it is in no way interacting with the 7 squared. In fact, before we can do the add that's there, we have to do the 7 squared anyway. So we can actually go in this example and work both of those out. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 7 squared is 49, and then we just add up. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 49 to get our answer of 59. Okay, let's consider our third example. This example involves both, actually two sets of grouping symbols. And so as you look in here, we have 3 times, and then 6 plus. Again, we can't put the 6 and 7 together because the 7 is being multiplied. It's next to a grouping symbol. So the first thing we have to do is work out the 7 minus 3, right, which would be 4, and then we can do the 7 times that 4. 7 times that 4, okay, which would be 28. We need to do that before we can add with the 6. So I can rewrite this now as 3 times 6 plus 28. And now I can go ahead and do my addition because it's inside of a grouping symbol. Which would give me 34. Okay. And then I just multiply the 3 times the 34 and get 102. Okay. One more example in this video. We have 8 plus 5, bracket, 2 plus 3, parentheses, 4 plus 1. Again, just like before, I can't do that 8 plus 5, I can't do that 2 plus 3 yet, because the 5 and the 3 are both involved in multiplication. So, like in the last example, I need to multiply through, or I need to first add 4 plus 1 to get 5. Right, and then I can do my 3 times 5 to get 15. And now I can rewrite 8 plus 5 times 2 plus 15. Again, I can't add the 8 and the 5 yet because the 5 is involved with multiplication. So I work out the 2 plus 15, which gives me 17. And then I can multiply 5 times 17 is 85. And finally now add the 85 to the 8 and get my answer, which is 93.